Hey everyone, Big Willy here from Big Willy's Fab Shop. Today's episode is I'm going to give you a little overview on how to set up your Plunge 6000 mousetrap. Just a note here, in the packaging, this is if you buy it in stores. If you buy it online, it will come in a cardboard box wrapped in bubble wrap and not in this plastic. The only difference is if you buy it in the stores, it comes with the instructions on how to set it up. If you buy it online, the instructions be in the images for that item. So if you just scroll through the images, this will be in one of the pictures. So if you open up your mousetrap here or your cardboard box, wherever you buy it, you open it up here. You can rip this if you want, or if you want to keep it for a souvenir, you can go right ahead and do so. Now you take it out, and inside is your bucket clips. So there'll be 4 of those, and then your ramp assembly here, and then your house, and then the bucket shields will be located in the back of this trap, and then you got your bait tray here. So first step is you can install the side shields, so they just fold out, and then you come up from the bottom, because it's a little dovetail, snap that side in, snap that side, and then repeat the process on the other side. So you kind of snap it in from the bottom, snap it in, and you push it all the way until it's flush on the bottom of the trap. Then the next step is you take your ramp assembly, you can kind of push it out a little bit to make it easier, and then the bigger ramp side, you push it into the house assembly, push it all the way in, and you're set. And then now you can just telescope it out all the way until it comes to a complete stop. You can grab your bucket, you put it on the bucket, you put the ramp down, and then, if you want to, now note the bucket shields are optional. It just helps keep, if you're using this as a live trap, help keeps the mice from jumping out, and also helps keep any cats or dogs from going inside the bucket. And then to make it extra secure, you can take the bucket clips and go around on the 4 corners, clip it down, and you're golden. Now, the last step, one of the most important steps, is you take your bait tray, you can smear peanut butter, or you can use other mouse attractant, spread it on the inside here, push it in, and then you can also dab a couple dabs onto the ramp also if you want to. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then the mice will come up, and they'll come either inside the trap here through the door 1, or they can come up through the second axis from the top and then go down. And then basically, I got my little remote here, but to simulate a mouse, you come in, it drops the mouse into the bucket, and then it resets the plank. That is all there is to set up the mousetrap. And then to clean it out, you do it reverse, take the clips off. If you have the clips, again, they're optional, but they come with the package, and then you just lift it up, and then you dispose of your mice however you want, set them free or such. I rebait the bait tray about 2 weeks to a month. Otherwise the scent kind of disappears and it's not as effective. So you can clean that out and apply more bait inside of there. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is. Thanks everyone for watching. And if you like this type of content or you want to see any other things, feel free to go in my channel and check out some things, and please like and subscribe this video.